So I got my hands on the Infinix Note 8i, and since I've already done a review on the Infinix Note 8i, a link to that video will be in the description below. I thought, why not do a camera review? So in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys camera samples of the Infinix Note 8i and reviewing those samples. So yeah, let's get to it. My name is Yudi. I talk about tech. Let's shoot. Hey guys, welcome back. Thank you for joining me. And if you're new here, welcome to the channel. I review tech, consumer gadgets, laptop, phones like the Infinix Note 8i I'm reviewing in this video to help you guys make a good purchase decision. So if you're into that, consider subscribing to the channel. So first, let's start with some camera specs. It's a quad camera setup, so a total of 4 cameras. A 48 megapixel main camera capable of 2K video at 30 frames per second, 2 megapixel depth macro and AI cameras, a single 8 megapixel selfie camera capable of shooting 1080p video at 30 frames per second. So let's start with photos from the main camera. The pictures from the Infinix Note 8i are quite good and sharp. Dynamic range is decent, and turning on the 48 megapixel mode will give you a more detailed shot. But do note that this will quadruple the file size. So normal pictures are about 4 to 5 megabytes, and pictures taken in the 48 megapixel mode are about 18 to 20 megabytes. The 48 megapixel mode is most useful when taking landscape shots like this one. Portrait shots are also decent, but I feel that they could be more detailed, or maybe Google Camera has just spoiled me. Edge detection is pretty much what you'd expect, but all in all, I like the pictures from the 48 megapixel main camera. The selfie camera is a different story. They appear quite soft. At first, I thought my hands were not stable, but no, it was the phone. This is especially true when shooting in portrait mode. The beauty mode trying to smooth out my skin made it so soft. So if you do get this phone, just turn off beauty mode. Now, how about video? Well, the Infinix Note 8i is capable of shooting 2K video on the main camera and 1080p video on the selfie camera. Here are some samples. Hey guys, this is a video quality test of the Infinix Note 8i. So this also doubles down as an audio quality test. So tell me what you think of both the video quality and the audio quality. So what do you think? Both the main camera and selfie camera, photo and video. What do you think of the Infinix Note 8i camera quality? How would you rate it out of 10? From 1 to 10, what would you rate it? Just let me know in the comment section below. Just go down and tell me in the comments. So if you did like the camera quality and you want to buy this phone and you live in Lagos, Nigeria, you can contact me on any of my socials here because I kind of sell phones and consumer gadgets now. And if you did do this, you'd be supporting the channel, so thank you in advance. If you enjoyed watching this video, give this video a like and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Also hit the notification bell so you'll be one of the first to know when I upload my next video. My name is Yudi. This is Yudi Shoot. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in my next video.